Which of the following structure is not found in prokaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cells do lack a true nucleus. That means they lack a membrane bound nucleus and also other membrane bound organelles. Coming to the options here, option A, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is found in all cells including prokaryotic cells. The plasma membrane regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell. So option A is incorrect. Option B, nuclear envelope. In prokaryotic cells, nuclear envelope is not found. Prokaryotes such as bacteria and archaea do not have a membrane-bound nucleus. Instead, their genetic material is located in a region called the nucleoid, which is not surrounded by a membrane. So, option B is the correct answer. Option C, ribosome. Ribosomes are the organelle responsible for protein synthesis. And prokaryotes do have ribosomes and they are smaller than the eukaryotic ribosomes, that is 70S ribosomes. So option C is incorrect. Option D, mesosome. Mesosomes are the invagination of the plasma membrane in prokaryotic cells. They are thought to be involved in the process like cell division or energy production. So option D is also incorrect. The correct answer is option B.